Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card from a Roblox account. Now it's actually really easy and simple. Maybe you want to do this because you don't want your kid to make purchases without your knowledge just using your card. So all you can do is click on this gear icon right here and then click on settings, okay? Once the setting page loads up, I want you to click on the payment methods, okay? Currently in this account, I have not added any payment methods yet, but I can show you what it's going to look like. So this is an example right here. So we have a Visa card right here. So if you want to remove this, just press on this trash bin to delete and boom, it will literally remove that payment method. So you don't have to worry about your kid making purchases without your knowledge. And you can also cancel subscriptions from here. You can go to billing and cancel your subscriptions. And it's actually really that easy and simple, guys. Really easy and simple. If this video helps, make sure you like and comment. And make sure you subscribe actually, because I have a Roblox auto clicker video coming up. So make sure you subscribe to get access to that one. Until next time, peace.